Yes, bitch. Yes. Yes, bitch. Yes. Hey, covered in money. Hey. Who is a JPEG Mafia fan out there? Raise your hand. That's the energy that I have today. First off, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra if you're new here. Today is going to be an Essence unboxing, as you can tell by the title. I don't know why that word left my brain, but so excited, you guys. I kind of went through a lot getting this package because I like missed the UPS man on Saturday, which is when he came because we was out protesting. And then I had to go to the UPS office today, you guys, and the lady was like, oh, we don't got it. And then I was like, well, can you check the number? Because she just checked my name. And then she was like, oh, it's express. And then she went to the back. She was like, oh, here you go. Like, damn. So if I wouldn't even gave you the tracking number, I would have never had my package. And I just would have been calling all around looking crazy. And when I first got the box, when I picked it up, I was expecting for a little, and it was fairly light. And I'm like, wait, it should be heavier than this. But it is a big box. This is like the biggest box I think I've ever gotten from Essence. I'm really hoping that everything is in here, you guys. I have been looking at this box all day, but I told myself I need to clean up. I need to do the things I need to do before doing this unboxing. So that's what I did. But literally, as I'm working out, I'm just looking at the box like, first I want to pull it out the box and see what it looks like, and then we're gonna go get into the try on portion. I'm just gonna open it. I have my scissors here. I got all the stuffing, which is unnecessary. You guys, these are pieces that I had in my wish list. So if you guys have seen my wish list, then y'all already can expect or may have an idea of what might be in this box, but I purchased. And I'm so excited, y'all. My heart's beating so fast because I wanted these pieces so badly, and now they're here. I'm gonna start off with this guy, and I'm not gonna tell you. We're just gonna you're gonna unwrap it together. Y'all see it? Y'all already know. Oh my God! I see my little baby. Look at her. She just peeking out. She just want to say hi. Say hi, girl. Say hi. She don't want to say hi. Okay. My little baby. It's actually bigger than I thought. So I have the Lemaire ball bag here, you guys, and I got it in the chocolate color. And it's so funny because I was on Essence, right? And I had prayer. I said, God, please drop this bag at least $100 more, because it was $5.16. And then y'all, I woke up the next day and this bag was on sale for $4.40, I believe. And I was like, oh my gosh, I told Connor, I'm like, babe, it dropped $100 damn near. Can we please just pull the trigger? I please pull the trigger. So we was like, okay, that's a good price for the bag. Well, that's not $100 off. I'm so bad at math, but it's close, it's up there. Anyway, it was less than $500, okay? Yeah, so he was just like, you know what? That's a good price. It's a leather bag. It's a bag you'll have forever. It's so timeless. Well, I said that. I don't know why I'm trying to say Connor said it. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna pull the trigger. I don't have a designer bag. I want this to be the first one, okay? Because it's just a beautiful ass bag, and I cannot wait to wear this, y'all. And just so you can get an idea, this is my hand and then this bag. So it's a really good size. Let's see what the inside looks like. And I was looking at the black at first. I thought I wanted the black version, but the leather on the black is a different texture than the brown, and I just wasn't feeling it. And two, I went on Essence, y'all, and it is now sold out in Essence, on Essence. So, has a little card here. Lambskin leather is natural, living distinctive material, and needs careful maintenance. We recommend that you do not leave the leather exposed to the sun or intense light for any length of time to avoid marks appearing. Okay. Okay, thank you for that. I love when they tell you how to take care of it, honey. This is not nothing cheap, so you take care of her. For it to be lambskin leather, it doesn't feel like super soft. It still feels durable, so that's a good thing. Let me take that off the stuffing. Jesus, they use. See, this is unnecessary. I'm sorry, Essence. Y'all need to cut back on y'all paper. We do not need all that paper money. Just send the item and that's it. So this is what the inside of the bag looks like, you guys. It says Lemaire here. I'm really gonna try my hardest to keep the inside of this bag clean, so I'm not gonna put any like makeup or anything in here. But it is canvas, as you can see on the inside. So pretty durable material. I do wish that it was darker though, because I feel like I have to be super careful and I'm not that careful of a person always. And then it just zips here in the middle, and I love this very thick little, just so you guys can get an idea, this is what she looks like. Okay, okay. Y'all, I love this bag. I can't wait to wear her. Like, yeah. I wear it like this if I want to, but I'll probably wear it like this. Knowing me, yeah. Probably wear it like that. I just put little stuff in here, you guys, like my perfume and my phone and keys. Stuff that I would like carry on a day-to-day because I wanted to see what this bag would look like with, you know, stuff inside. So happy that it keeps its shape, you guys. It doesn't look like nothing is in there really, because I'm like, I don't want it to like bulge or anything like that. And definitely it's still cute with stuff inside. A little bit heavy though, I'm not gonna lie, but I feel like I'll get used to carrying it. I'm so obsessed with this bag, y'all. I'm so happy I have it in my life. It's everything that I dreamed it would be. Oh, I'll still try to have this bag linked down below for you guys. Like I said, I didn't see the brown available on Essence anymore. I did see it on other websites, but I don't think it was as low as the price that I got it for. I'm just so happy that I have it now, y'all. Like, literally when I had it in my wish list, I'm like, the only way I'll get this bag is if it's like literally half off, and I got it for literally half off. Okay, moving along. And this dust bag is so freaking nice. Like, wow. It's like a cushioned dust bag, okay? The French does it well. All right, y'all. Now next we getting into the next item. Oh, show y'all. She's wrapped in paper here. And it is going to be, let's see. I'll see that y'all already know what that is. Owens. Okay, I could not, y'all, when I seen the price of this dress, and my birthday is coming up by the way, when I seen the price of this, I just was like, I just can't leave it. I mean, less than $200 for like a $500 dress? Like, I can't. Do I need it? No. Am I gonna wear it every day? No. But it is still a timeless slip dress. It actually reminds me of the slip dress that Kate Moss had on when she had a little underwear and her little flip-flops. I always wanted a version of that dress, and now that I think about it, this is the version of that dress. I cannot wait to see what this looks like on. I got this in a size 38 because I'm a 38 in all of Rick's clothes. Material of this dress, you guys, is modal. It's like a very lightweight material, almost like silk, but I don't know. I don't know why I told y'all that this dress is 100% modal with a straight face. This dress is 100% Cupro, which is mixed with rayon, and it is a very lightweight material. As I said, it is very similar to silk. Yes, bitch, yes. Yes, bitch, yes. So we're gonna see what this looks like in a moment. So this is what this Rick Owens dress looks like on, you guys. I am a bit disappointed because I noticed that there is a stain here. I'm like waiting for it to dry, and it hasn't dried in like 15 minutes. So I'm definitely gonna be sending pics over to Essence about that. But other than that little stain, I love this dress. I think that it is so sexy. It's so breezy. I love the length of it. It's not too short. And it is pretty transparent, as you guys can see. So I have to get some like really cute little underwear to wear with it. Like I said, I'm not gonna be wearing this dress every day. I might just wear it on my birthday and bring it out, you know, every once in a while. But really happy with it. I hope Essence can give me a little bit of money back or something, because this is a little disappointing here, because I know it wasn't me. I don't got no makeup on, I ain't got no water around me, nothing around me, so it had to have come like this. So that's a little disappointing, but we're gonna see. Also, this little V section, I was a little worried about the top fitting a little weird because it looked a little risky on the model, but I feel like the top, the V, lays so nicely on my bust. It's a look. It is a look. It is a look. So a little update on my Rick Owens dress, you guys. I just got off the phone with Essence, and she told me that I can either send the item back, which I know that this item is sold out in my size, so I'm like, I don't want to do that. So she was just like, okay, well then we can give you a discount. So I chose to go with that option. But I was really disappointed to see that stain, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I hope it comes out. But this fabric, this Cupro fabric, you guys, is actually a really easy fabric to clean. All I did was put the dress under some water, some cold water with a little bit of detergent, and I like lightly scrubbed it against each other. From the looks of it, it's gonna dry and the stain won't be there. So I hope unless it's like a grease stain, but for the most part, it looks like it'll be all well. I will let you guys know the update in my next video. Nextly, getting into my Isabel Marant sneakers. Okay, so y'all already know, like I said, these were in my wish list, and I was just like, I really want these shoes. I feel like I would create so many neutral, cute ass outfits with these shoes. This is what the box looks like. It says Isabel Marant there. And I hope that these fit, you guys. Like, I really hope that they're like true to size, because I got the size that I normally take. So we'll see. And then you have the little dust bag here. It's not as thick as that Lemaire one. And we have the lovely Zeppelin kitties here. I decided to go with the Bride Bees, you guys, because I felt like I needed a very classic shoe to wear in the spring and summer that will also transition into the fall, because y'all know I'm big on having my clothes work all year long. So I needed a sneaker like that, and I don't have anything super classic. No, I don't have like a really classic sneaker. Like, my Margillas are in this like sky blue color, my Margilla replicas. So I'm like, I need a very classic shoe. So I'm so happy to have these. They are in leather, so you have leather on the top, and then they have this like rubber gummy sole, which is really nice. And I have seen these, like I said, you guys, in one of my past videos, I have seen women with these, and they've had them for like a couple months or a year or so, and they still look really good. So that was another thing. I know how they age. So I knew that it was a good shoe to invest in. And then it just says Isabel Marant here on the back. Very like cushiony, what do you call this? Like tongue, yeah, tongue. Oh, it's like a carpet on the inside of the tongue. You guys can see that. And looking at the shoe, it looks like it's my size. It definitely looks like it's gonna fit. It is quite narrow. So I'm gonna try these on and let you guys know how they fit. So for the Isabel Marant sneakers, you guys, they fit absolutely perfectly. I'm so happy I went with my true size, which is a 38. I'm not wearing them with socks right now, but I can tell if I was to wear them with socks, my feet will still lay flatly in the shoe. And yeah, I'm really happy with them. Definitely gonna get a lot of wear out of them this spring and this summer. I haven't done any real walking in them, of course, but so far, walking around the house, walking around in my fire escape, they feel really comfortable on my feet. And what more can you ask for? Cute, comfortable, chic, period. Alright, you guys, so that actually sums up this video. Those are the things that I've gotten from Essence this go round. I actually have another Essence haul that'll be linked down in the description box that I got when they first started their sale. And you guys, that was the bulk of everything that I wanted from the sale. Now I just have like a couple of jewelry pieces that I have my eye on. Maybe I'll do a video telling you guys about that. After I purchase the jewelry that I want, which is only like 3 pieces, I'm gonna be done with the sale, okay? You gotta know when to cut yourself off. And that's my cutoff. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smack that like button and also slap that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll know when I post, which is typically like every day or every other day. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.